Biodermis, the #1 scar care brand globally. Trusted by surgeons since 1989. For many of us, irregular collagen buildup at the site of a wound or incision can lead to scar formation that is irregular, unsightly, or even painful. When it comes to caring for these scars, clinically proven silicone sheeting is considered the gold standard. Our Epi-Derm silicone sheets embody this standard and build upon it with availability with clear or natural colored backings, simple cut-to-fit customization alongside multiple convenient pre-cut options, easy application that can be easily achieved by washing your hands and the application site, opening the pouch, removing both protective films, and applying. And Epi-Derm sheets are washable and reusable. Simply lather the sheet gently with warm soapy water, rinse, air dry, and reapply in 12-hour intervals. For scars like these and many others, you can trust Epi-Derm from Biodermis as your scar care product of choice.